हरियाणा के बेटे लेफ्टिनेंट अभिनव राठी ने नेवल एविएशन में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त कर पूरे भारत में चमकाया हरियाणा का नाम। नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं सहारा हरियाणा। हम आपको बता दें कि हरियाणा के रोहतक जिले के गांव बसाना हाल निवासी सेक्टर 3 रोहतक के सूबेदार जीतपाल राठी के सुपुत्र लेफ्टिनेंट अभिनव राठी ने नेवल एविएशन में बेस्ट हेलीकॉप्टर पायलट और प्रशिक्षण में ऑल राउंड प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त कर रोहतक और हरियाणा का नाम पूरे देश में चमकाने का काम किया है। आज सोमवार को INS अराकोरनम तमिलनाडु में INS रजाली पर आयोजित एक भव्य परेड में नेवल पूर्वी कमान के चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ वाइस एडमिरल राजेश पंडेरकर अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल ने उनके पिता सूबेदार एक शिक्षाविद जीतपाल राठी और उनकी माता निर्मला राठी की उपस्थिति में कैप्टन अभिनव राठी को बेस्ट हेलीकॉप्टर पायलट और ऑलराउंड बेस्ट कैडेट की ट्रॉफी भेंट कर सम्मानित किया। उनके पिताजी सूबेदार जीतपाल राठी ने बताया कि यह हमारे लिए बड़े गर्व की बात है और गौरव का पल था जब हमारा बेटा पूरे भारत में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त कर बेस्ट कैडेट और बेस्ट हेलीकॉप्टर पायलट की ट्रॉफी ग्रहण कर रहा था। वाइस एडमिरल राजेश पंडेरकर उनके माता पिता से बातचीत कर उन्हें उनके होनहार सपूत को भारत का गौरव बताते हुए उन्हें हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और मुबारकबाद दी। ये जानकारी हरियाणा पूर्व सैनिक संघ हरियाणा के प्रवक्ता कैप्टन जगबीर मलिक ने दी।
Commanding Officer INS Rajali, Commanding Officers of the Air Squadrons, instructors and staff of INS 561, pilots of the 104th Helicopter Conversion Course, proud families and friends of the graduating pilots, personnel on parade, respected veterans, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. At the outset, I congratulate all the men and women on parade today for their smart turnout and drill. The precision, bearing, and spirit on display were nothing short of outstanding. It speaks volumes of your training, discipline, and pride that you carry as personnel of the Indian Navy. This parade marks a significant milestone. It marks not only the successful culmination of a rigorous course, but a day when a fresh batch of young and enthusiastic pilots pass through the portals of the school. For INS 561 and the Helicopter Training School, this now means that 884 pilots have graduated thus far from its portals. I also understand that the squadron flies average of 25 to 30 sorties every day and accounts for nearly 30% of Indian Navy's Chetak flying task. And to do all this without compromising safety and training standards is indeed commendable. I congratulate each of the pilots of the 104th Helicopter Conversion Course who have earned the right to wear the wings of gold on their chest and will also be called henceforth as naval aviators. To them I say, the Helicopter Conversion Course is no routine checkpoint. You have learned not just how to fly, but how to fly with purpose. A purpose to serve, to protect, and to respond when called. To earn wings is never easy. To do so as a naval aviator, where precision meets pressure and skill is tested at sea and in the sky, demands a level of commitment that sets you apart. Today, you wear the wings not as decoration, but as proof of discipline, of focus, and of the relentless pursuit of excellence. Those wings are not a reward, they are a responsibility. They represent the Navy's faith in you and a sign that you are now a part of a rich naval legacy. Indian naval aviation has always stood for professionalism, precision, and pride. Those award winners, my congratulations. Your performance sets a benchmark for others to emulate. But let's be clear, every graduate here has completed a demanding journey and has shown courage, grit, and commitment that the Navy is proud of. To the families of these new pilots, this is your moment too. Your sacrifice, support, and silent strength are what carry these officers through their toughest days. The nation owes you its gratitude. To the commanding officer and instructors of INS 561, your dedication and mentorship have shaped this success. You've not only taught skills, you've instilled confidence, courage, and the standard of excellence that defines naval aviation. This day is as much yours as is theirs. I wish each of the graduating pilots all success and happy landings. Let your conduct in the air and on ground always reflect the highest traditions of the Indian Navy. May your flights be safe, your missions successful, and your hearts always true to the tricolor and to the ensign of the Indian Navy.
ऐसी ही और भी खबरों को देखने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हरियाणा के साथ। जल्द मुलाकात होगी एक और नई खबर के साथ। नमस्कार।